Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Semi Closer. Today I'm heading towards my workplace. If you want to know more about our school, St. Dominic Savio CBSE school, stay tuned. Finally, I have reached my destination. So he is our father principal, Father Sajis Kalambakat too, and behind they are my colleagues. So we all the teachers, we are heading towards the main gate to welcome the two professors who are going to inspect our school today.
Hi. Take.
Hey guys, it's very sunny and it's very hot today, and top of that we are using mask. It's very Karbi, very hot. Anyway, we are about to reach our main gate. Everyone is tired because it's hilly area here in our Karbi Anglong. You can come and visit in our school too. Hey guys, finally the inspector has arrived. We are going to welcome and honor them with our own Karbi traditional attire. They are inside the vehicle still, and as soon as they get down from the vehicle, we are going to honor them. Hey guys, you may be thinking why the students are not around. Since it's lockdown, there is no school student with us. The school is closed for all the students. So today there is a program, that is why Father has called us. That is why we all are here today. Hey guys, I'm very excited because our school is going to affiliate soon. They are on the way. First we are giving sanitizer. They sanitize their hand, and then now we are honoring them with a Karbi muffler. Hey guys, you can see behind, she is our headmistress, Sister Genevieve from Impal. Felicitation is over. Now all of us, we are going to our school. We are following our father principal and the two professors who has come from Silchar and Lamding. Hey guys, finally we have reached our staff room. Wow, relax. Meet, she is my colleague Miss Julie, and she is very busy in phone. She is Ma'am Manjuri, she is Miss Caroline, he is Sir Wilson, Sir Johan, and many more. And this is me. Hello. Finally, the inspection has begun. This is the work experience room, and we used to keep here most of the things like basket, broom, dustbin, etc. This is maths laboratory room. You can see here many things. We are using all these things during the practical time. The inspection is still going on. This is our father principal room, the CC camera, and the class teacher is taking online class. And this is girls toilet room. This is class 3 room. We are having more than 60 students in each class. This is computer lab. We have more than 30 computers in our computer lab. And this is also a staff room. This staff room is in the first floor. And now they are heading towards second floor. This is multimedia room. This room is used by class 9 student. You can say this is a class 9 room. And most of the time we are teaching with this projector. This is our auditorium room. It's empty room right now, but before the program we used to arrange everything and used to keep it properly. And this is our library room. She is our librarian. And we keep all the important books in this library, and it's good for our own students too. They come in their free time and read the books, and this is the register which she maintained. This is our science lab. Check it out. How is it? It looks good, right? Yes, it looks very good, and we have all the important things in this science lab. And this is our musical room. You can see guitar, drum, xylophone and keyboard. And this is our sport room. These are the things which our students play during their sports time. Hey guys, now watch our school, my workplace through drone shot. This is my workplace, St. Dominic, Savio, CBSE school. This is from front. Behind its hostel and father residence. This school has established in the year 2010. The school and hostel has started with a kacha bamboo house and now all transformed into a huge building. And now altogether we have 20 staff. Hey guys, to know more about our school, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.